Welcome students. Today we are going to study HCF of the numbers by using prime factors method. Now HCF means what? Highest common factor, or the other name is greatest common divisor. Means in the factors, which factor is the highest common? Highest common means what? The biggest number is common between the factors of the given numbers, and that we are going to find out by using our prime factors method. Now see the example. Find the HCF of 24 and 32 by the prime factors method. It means in this example we have to find out the highest common factor of numbers 24 and 32 by using prime factors method. Means for that we need to find out prime factors of the given numbers. Let's see the factors. 24. Now 24 is divisible by 2, 2 into 12. Again 12 is divisible by 2, 2 into 6. Again 6 is also divisible by 2, so we get 2 into 3. So all the prime factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now 32. In 32 again the factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 5 times 2. Now which is the common factor between them? Between the factors, 2 is the common factor between the factors of the given numbers. But 2 how many times occur? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And in the number of factors of 32 also 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. And that is why the common factor 2 occurs thrice, means 3 times in each number, and therefore the HCF is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 8, means product of that common factors, and that is 8, and therefore HCF of 24 and 32 is 8. Now see the next example. Find the HCF of 195, 312 and 546. Again we have to use here prime factors method. Now see the factors. 195, in the unit place of the number 5 is there, and that is why it is divisible by 5. So 5, when you divide by 5 you get 39. Again 39 is divisible by 3, we get 13, and that is why the factors are 5 into 3 into 13. Same here in 312 is divisible by 2 and 4. Here if we divide by 4 then we get 78. Again the factors of 4 are 2 multiplied by 2, and factors of 78 2 multiplied by 39. So all the factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13, and the factors of 546 are 2 into 3 into 7 into 13. So which are common between the factors of 3 numbers? The common factors are 3 and 13, and that is why the HCF of the given numbers means 195, 312, 546. Their HCF is equal to 3 multiplied by 13 is equal to 39. Listen students, we have to take the product of the common factors. We are finding it by using prime factors method, means prime numbers we are finding in factors, and again we have to see which prime numbers are common between the factors of the given number. That time we have to take the product of the given prime factors to get the HCF of the given number. Now see another example. Find the HCF of 10, 15, 12 by prime factors method. Now here if you see the prime factors of the numbers, factors of 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, factors of 15 3 into 5, factors of 12 2 into 2 into 3. If you observe the factors of 10, 15 and 12, nothing is common between them. It means in the prime factors not a single factor is common. That is why here the HCF is 1. means whenever no number except 1 is a common factor, that time HCF is always 1. Now see another example. Find the HCF of 60, 12, 36. Factors are, factors of 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3. Factors of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And which are the common factors? 2 into 2 into 3. Means 1 time, 2 times 2 and 1 time 3 is common between all the factors of the numbers. And therefore HCF of 60, 12 and 36 is equal to multiplication of them or product of them, which is equal to 12. See another one more example. Find the HCF of 25, 15 and 35. If you see the factors of 25 is equal to 5 into 5, 15 is equal to 3 into 5, 35 is equal to 5 into 7. Which is common? Only 5 is common in all the factors. Therefore HCF of the numbers 25, 15 and 35 is 5. Now what we studied? If one of the given numbers is a divisor of all the others, then it is the HCF of the given numbers. Means in the given numbers, if one number is divisor of all the remaining numbers, that time that is called as HCF of the given numbers. One more point is there. If no prime number is a common divisor of all the given numbers, then 1 is their HCF because it is the only common divisor. Now in extra information, what we have to study or what we have to see? 2 is the HCF of any two consecutive even numbers. It means what? Whenever two consecutive even numbers are given, that time the HCF is always 2. And whenever two consecutive odd numbers are given, that time HCF is always 1. Okay, I hope all of you understood everything of this lesson, means to find HCF. Okay, thank you.